It's time to put your most flawless skin forward. Find out how to get there with these best skincare tips. Ready, set, glow. Number 1, limit your sun exposure. Sun exposure is the most common cause of premature wrinkling, sags and bags. Small amounts of daily sun produce vitamin D and are beneficial, but too much sun will damage your skin. The more sun exposure you have, the earlier your skin ages, says Dr. Barnett S. Kramer, a cancer prevention expert at NIH. For the most complete sun protection, avoid the sun between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., when the sun's rays are strongest. Also, use zinc or titanium dioxide sunscreen and wear protective clothing and sunglasses. Number 2, get enough vitamin C. Vitamin C is needed for collagen formation in your skin, which supports skin integrity as you age. Researchers have found that vitamin C reduces sun damage to the skin, lessening wrinkling, dryness and improving its overall appearance. While oral supplementation with vitamin C is important for maintaining overall health, applying vitamin C to the skin has been proven to be 20 times more effective than oral ingestion. Number 3, drink plenty of water. Drinking more water keeps skin hydrated and makes it look healthier and wrinkle-free. When we're dehydrated, our bodies can have an inflammatory response which can lead to things like breakouts. Being well hydrated can lead to less breakouts, more radiant and firmer skin, even less dark spots. Number 4, eat healthy fats. Along with staying hydrated, you should also maintain a well-balanced diet in lean, adequate protein and healthy fats. Incorporating foods such as avocados, extra virgin olive oil, fish, nuts and seeds into your diet is important. The fatty acids are necessary to smooth and plump the skin, giving your skin a youthful appearance. Number 5, get enough sleep. Your entire body recuperates as you sleep, so let it. Getting enough sleep allows your skin to begin healing, fighting against skin conditions, such as eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin. Besides getting enough sleep, avoid sleeping on your side or stomach to prevent wrinkles. Last but not least, always remove your makeup before going to bed, no matter how tired you might feel. Keep your skin clean overnight. Number 6, reduce your stress levels. High levels of stress will make your skin more sensitive and trigger acne breakouts and other skin problems. Consider yoga or meditating. Avoid toxic people and do the things you enjoy. The results might be more dramatic than you expect. Number 7, exercise. Exercise can make skin look healthier and radiant on days when you can't get to a spa. It increases the circulation of oxygen and nutrients and releases toxins through sweat, which leads to clearer, firmer skin. Number 8, limit bath time. Your skin needs some oil to keep it moisturized. Hot water and long showers or baths remove oils that have built up during the course of the day. While removing the day's dirt and germs can be beneficial, removing your body's natural oils isn't so good. Too much bathing can cause your skin to dry, crack and peel. Thus, we would advise you to limit your bath or shower time, and use warm, rather than hot water. Number 9, avoid strong soaps. Some skincare products are too harsh for dry, sensitive skin. Stick with gentle cleansers that nourish and moisturize to ensure skin health. Avoiding strong soaps and detergents will help your skin retain its natural oils. Number 10, eat antioxidant-rich foods. A diet rich in antioxidants is not only good for your health, it's also great for your skin. High intakes of antioxidants have been linked to a decrease in the appearance of wrinkles and skin dryness, making antioxidants critical to skin health and beauty. Some of the best sources of antioxidants include blueberries, oranges, pomegranates, tomatoes, green tea, sweet potatoes and dark chocolate. Number 11, reduce your sugar intake. An excess of glucose in the bloodstream can cause a range of skin issues, such as wrinkles, sagging skin and brown spots, among others. The more sugar you have in your bloodstream, the more old you may look. Number 12, don't smoke. While there are many reasons why you should stop smoking, there is one in particular you should be aware of: it can impact your skin. A study has shown that smoking damages collagen and elastin, the fibers that give your skin strength and elasticity, and can cause premature skin aging. If you smoke, the best way to protect your skin is to quit. Number 13, moisturize dry skin. It is recommended to apply moisturizer immediately after washing. Oils, creams, and lotions work by trapping existing moisture in your skin. To trap the moisture, you need to apply a moisturizer within few minutes of washing. If you're looking for an excellent, cheap moisturizer, petroleum jelly might be an excellent choice. Number 14, shave smartly. To lubricate and protect your skin, apply shaving cream or gel before shaving. For a better shave, use a clean, sharp razor. A dull razor blade can cause rash and irritation on the skin. Shave in the direction the hair is growing, not against it. We hope you enjoyed these beauty tips for flawless skin. Have any skincare tips of your own? Please share them in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.